Getting stuck on the Google account verification screen after a factory reset is one of the most frustrating Android issues, but the good news is that you have several tools available to bypass FRP. You might have heard of options like GSM Prime Tool, which is a free and widely used utility that supports FRP removal on Samsung, Redmi, Motorola, and some older LG and Honor models, though it does require a bit of technical know-how since it involves navigating different phone modes like MTP, download, or EDL. The main appeal here is that it's completely free and offers both manual and automated methods, but the downsides are significant. It only runs on Windows, it often triggers antivirus warnings during download, and its support for newer Android versions can be hit or miss, with many users reporting failed attempts on devices running the latest security patches. Another tool that pops up in discussions is TFT Unlocker, but honestly, the biggest challenge with this one is simply finding a clean, virus-free installation package, and even the most recent versions available only support Windows 10, which makes it a risky and outdated choice unless you have a trusted source sharing a direct download link with you. Given these limitations, you might be wondering if there's a solution that's genuinely beginner-friendly, works on both Windows and Mac, and supports the vast majority of Android brands without all the hassle. That's where a dedicated tool like MagFone Android Unlocker comes into play, as its Google FRP removal feature focuses specifically on helping you regain access when a device is stuck on that Google account verification screen. Before you start, you simply choose your Android version, click Start, and MagFone leads you back to the welcome page, where you tap Emergency Call and enter the code #0# to instantly launch the hidden diagnostic menu that begins the FRP bypass workflow. Both functions streamline what are normally complicated procedures, turning them into a guided, step-by-step flow that even beginners can follow confidently. If you need a reliable way to unlock your device, just head to Google, search for MagFone Android Unlocker download, install the official version, and start restoring access today with a tool that actually supports your specific device and operating system.